Welcome back everybody, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to create a grunge VHS effect in After Effects. It's very simple and clean. The only plugins you'll need for today's effect is just going to be Signal and Deep Glow. So let's hop into it. I'm going to head over here, right click, and then make a new adjustment layer. It's already going to be to our length of our clip. I'm going to head over here to my adjustment layer, go to our Effects and Presets tab, and for the first effect I'm going to add is Signal. I'm going to drag in Signal right here. I'm going to head over to Signal Amplification, and I'm going to put it at 20. And I'm going to put Filter, Cutoff Filter actually, at 88. Or not, never mind, just keep it at the regular settings. Just keep it at the regular settings, you don't have to change it right there. Want to head over to Emulating VHS and put on VHS Long Play. Then you want to head over to Luma Modulation and then turn off tape errors. Once after adding all of these settings for Signal, the next effect I'm going to add is Deep Glow. So I'm going to drag it in right there. And we're going to put the radius at 375. Then our exposure, I'm just going to put it to 0.60. The reason I'm adding Deep Glow to this effect is just to give a nice outline right here and more of a glowing effect to the background, since it's mainly going to be black and white for our clip right here. Next, I'm going to add noise. So I'm going to head over here, drag in noise. And for our amount on noise, I'm going to add 13. And yeah, that is all the effects you'll need in order to create a grunge VHS effect in After Effects. Make sure to subscribe, like, or leave a comment. I'm uploading 3 to 4 times a week. With that out of the way, make sure to stay creative. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.